period. Welcome back to my channel. So today is cleanup day. So we're gonna clean it up right now. So let's just get to the cleaning. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you would like next. Also, do not forget to subscribe because I want you to be one of my honeys. And if you want to be a VIP honey, baby, click that bell icon so you can be notified when I post my next video. Like I always say, it doesn't matter what they think or say, just continue to wake, pray, grind. Clean up your office space, okay? Because when your space is clean, you think better, okay? And slay. Bye, honey.